Hi everybody, Anita here at Legacy Ford Fernie. I wanted to show you guys today what the BoxLink system is in the back of our truck bed. So we have 4 of these little guys here where we put these cleats into. I'm not going to install them today because I don't know who this truck is going to be bought by if they want to use that, but you have 4 cleats, lockable cleats as well, so nobody can steal them. And 1, 2, and 1, 2 here. So with these, you can set up aftermarket accessories from bed extenders, tie-down cleats, cargo dividers, and probably most popularly, stowable loading ramps. So there are actually loading ramps that you can store using these bed cleats, and they're in the back of your truck, ready to go whenever you want to load up your ATV, your motorbike, your sled, whatever you use. So it's a great BoxLink system. It's a great system for aftermarket accessories that come with keeping your truck bed clean and organized. So give us a call at 423-9211.